In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards and reports in Monday.com. If you're looking to enhance your project management skills or simply make data visualization easier, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk you through the essentials of creating a dynamic and informative dashboard that can help drive decision-making and keep your team aligned. First, let's start by heading over to Monday.com. This platform is a powerful tool for project management and collaboration, allowing you to streamline tasks across your team. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log in, so go ahead and click on the login button. If you use Google, you can make this process even smoother by clicking on Google and selecting your Google account from the list. This seamlessly integrates your workspaces and can keep your workflow uninterrupted. Now that you're logged into Monday.com, you're ready to create a dashboard. And start by locating the plus icon, which you can find in the upper part of your screen. Clicking this icon allows you to create something new, and since today we're focusing on dashboards, choose Dashboard from the menu options. With the new dashboard template open, it's time to give your dashboard a name. This is important because it helps you and your team quickly identify the purpose of the data displayed. Simply type your desired name into the text box provided. This step may seem minor, but choosing a clear descriptive name can really make a difference. Next, you'll need to select the privacy setting for your dashboard. Monday.com gives you options, such as making your dashboard public or keeping it private, so choose the one that best fits your team's needs. This ensures that the right eyes are on your data, maintaining confidentiality while promoting the sharing of information when necessary. Once you've set the privacy preferences, click Create Dashboard. You've now laid the foundation for what will become a central hub of information and insights for your team. A robust dashboard is critical for visualizing your key metrics and tracking project progress in a clear, centralized manner. Now comes the exciting part: customizing your dashboard with widgets. Widgets allow you to display different types of data, from simple lists to complex graphs, and they can be tailored to fit whatever your reporting needs may be. By adding and adjusting widgets, you can create a dynamic tool that reflects precisely the information your team needs to see. Remember, each widget can be further customized to tailor the data display settings according to your preferences or project requirements. This might include changing the type of chart, the data range, or the specifics of what data you want to visualize. This level of customization ensures that your dashboard remains relevant and useful as your projects evolve. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to building effective dashboards and reports on Monday.com. By setting up these dashboards thoughtfully, you'll keep your projects on track and your team well informed. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboard building.